Rapprochement is a diplomatic and international relations term that signifies the process of reconciliation and the restoration of cordial and cooperative relations between two entities or nations that were previously estranged, hostile, or in conflict. This term, derived from the French word rapprochement, which means reconciliation or coming together, is at the heart of diplomatic efforts to mend strained relationships and promote peace. Rapprochement typically emerges when two entities, such as countries or political factions, have experienced a period of hostility, mistrust, or disagreement. These conflicts may arise from historical grievances, territorial disputes, ideological differences, or broader geopolitical rivalries. The goal of rapprochement is to overcome these issues and create an atmosphere of goodwill and cooperation. Diplomatic initiatives are often the first steps in the rapprochement process. These initiatives can include establishing diplomatic channels of communication, initiating dialogue, or engaging in shuttle diplomacy. Diplomatic missions and official visits by higher-ranking officials can facilitate direct conversations and negotiations between the estranged parties. Rapprochement frequently involves addressing specific conflicts or disputes that have contributed to strained relations. Conflict resolution mechanisms, such as negotiation, mediation, or international arbitration, may be employed to find mutually acceptable solutions. Resolving these issues is crucial for building trust and moving toward reconciliation. Confidence-building measures are implemented to foster trust and goodwill between the parties. These measures can include steps like reducing military tensions, releasing prisoners of war, or engaging in joint initiatives related to environmental conservation or humanitarian assistance. These gestures demonstrate a genuine commitment to improving relations. Mutual agreements and treaties are often pivotal in formalizing rapprochement. These agreements can cover a wide range of areas, such as trade, security, territorial boundaries, or cultural exchanges. The negotiation and signing of these agreements serve as concrete evidence of the parties' intent to cooperate. Economic cooperation plays a significant role in many rapprochement processes. Joint economic ventures, trade agreements, and economic aid packages can be powerful incentives for improving relations. Shared economic interests can serve as a solid foundation for a more harmonious relationship. People-to-people diplomacy is an essential component of rapprochement. Fostering understanding and connections between the populations of the estranged entities can contribute significantly to reconciliation. Cultural exchanges, educational programs, and grassroots initiatives promote dialogue and cooperation at the citizen level. International mediation may be employed when direct negotiations face insurmountable obstacles. International organizations or neutral third-party countries can act as mediators to facilitate discussions and bridge gaps between the parties. Their involvement can help reduce tensions and move the process forward. Public diplomacy is another tactic in the rapprochement toolkit. Leaders and diplomats may engage in public outreach, making public statements, giving speeches, or using media and social platforms to communicate their commitment to rapprochement and the benefits it can bring. Public support can be influential in maintaining the momentum of reconciliation efforts. Rapprochement is not always successful, as deeply ingrained grievances, political complexities, or external pressures can hinder progress. The pace and success of rapprochement efforts can vary widely depending on the specific circumstances and the willingness of both parties to engage in the process. In conclusion, rapprochement is a diplomatic endeavor aimed at repairing and rejuvenating cooperative and amicable relations between entities that have experienced tension or conflict. It entails a comprehensive range of diplomatic, economic, and cultural strategies, and its success hinges on the commitment of both parties and the intricacies of the issues involved. Rapprochement can have profound consequences, potentially reshaping regional and global dynamics by fostering peace and cooperation where conflict once prevailed.